Yes, that's clear. Thank you, Jan. Yeah, pleasure to be here. I'm Markus, the co-founder and CFO of Ecoligo. We are a global energy as a service provider. Climate finance is to us becoming really the mega trend of this decade. And this is driven by several factors. So first of all, there are retail investors that are asking for more and more sustainable investments. Secondly, there's the very large global institutional investors, such as BlackRock, that have sustainability as one of their key investment criteria. And last but not least, there's policies and regulations, just to name one, the European MiFID II regulation, that is also driving investments into climate finance. So as a consequence, there will be a lot of capital available in this decade from retail investors and from institutional investors. So with this, a lot of money being available, the question is really, how can we as a community channel this money fast and effectively into carbon mitigating projects? And that is a challenge because in the European or classic developed markets, there are limited investment opportunities into carbon mitigating projects that provide a decent return. So the returns are becoming lower because there is a shortage of supply. At the same time, we have investment opportunities in emerging markets that provide a high return, but investors are really lacking the local market knowledge there and also need an aggregator of the individual project risks. With Ecoligo, we are actually best suited to fill the supply gap because we are active in emerging markets, we are locally on ground, we are developing and executing clean energy projects in these markets and can then be the best channel to get that money into carbon mitigating projects. Ecoligo is a global energy as a service provider for commercial and industrial companies in emerging markets globally. We are headquartered in Berlin. We have offices in Ghana, Kenya, Vietnam, Thailand, Costa Rica, and Chile. We have to date signed 102 projects with a total capacity of 44 megawatt peak. And these projects will, over the lifetime, save more than 600,000 tons of CO2. Our single biggest market is actually Vietnam, where we have 34 projects so far. Our clients are commercial industrial clients, such as the chocolate factory Fair Afrique in Ghana. And these clients all have the same in common. They are facing very high cost of power from the national grids. And with our solution, we can provide them cheaper power from a solar system on the rooftop. The client gets from us is a fully financed solar as a service solution. So it's really a one-stop shop solution where the client pays to us a monthly fee and we take care of all the rest. All the rest in our case means that we are raising the finance through our online financing platform where we raise finance from retail investors. Then secondly, we take care of the qualified engineering of the solar systems, take care of the sustainable operation and insurance. So the client gets in sum a hassle-free and worry-free solution. And the beauty of this hassle-free solution is that it also provides economic benefits to the client. So the client are not paying a premium for the solar they receive, but actually they are saving from day one if they sign a contract with us, have savings from day one, and don't need to invest into the solar system itself. So it's really a no-brainer deal for the client. So with this no-brainer deal for the client, you may wonder what does it mean for us? So here you can see the economics of a typical 500 kilowatt peak project, so which is our average project size. For such a project, we make revenues of close to 1 million over the contract lifetime. Contract lifetime is on average 14 years. And then if we deduct the operational expenses from this project plus the debt service that we are having, we're left with a net margin of 23%. One of our competitive advantages is actually our digital platform, Pulse. So with this digital platform that we are developing, we are able to have faster workflows, automated actions throughout the whole value chain, from the sales to the asset management. And through the partner and client portals, we really have an efficient and holistic stakeholder management. Last but not least, we empower impact investments through the platform. We are currently raising a 10 million Series B. The money will be used to increase the sales force, to invest in middle management and operational excellence, and take the next development steps on the software development. So if you want to lead the global energy revolution with us, then let's have a talk. Thank you.